What I did so far is marinate the small chicken with salt, lemon, pepper, parsley, thyme, rosemary, and rub safe. 6 ingredients, and I rubbed on the outside. And then I injected this one in the inside. And I had it marinate in the fridge for a couple hours. You can use the Tony's seasoning for the outside, but it was a little too spicy for my kids, so I had to settle for homemade seasoning. Just gonna spray the inside of my air fryer with avocado spray. You can spray it with any kind of oil, but the oil of my choice is the avocado. And then I will be taking the small chicken. This is an important point to remember, is to make sure we put it in breast down first. Otherwise, you're gonna have a little burnt situation. There you go. So breast down first. Just like that. And then we take it to the air fryer. And here is the setting that we will be using. Roast for 50 minutes at 380. Okay, so at 25 minutes, I just open it up just like that. Sizzle and just use same tool to flip this. The instant Vortex tries to tell you when to add food and when to turn food. But for the whole chicken, I follow my own instructions of just 25 minutes on one side and 25 minutes on the other side. And it has been cooking the chicken the way I want it to be cooked. We put it right back. Let it cook for another 25 minutes. Alrighty, so we have 3 seconds. A beautiful seasoning chicken. Go ahead. Grab it from the bottom, that's where the big hole is. And then make sure you add all that juice. Now try. And then we cover up with aluminum foil and let it rest for half an hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.